What's going on? Oh! Francois, can you come over? My vacuum cleaner has a problem.
I'm on my way.
Hello, Francois.
Hey, Charlie. Let's see what happened. It seems your vacuum has run out due to an excessive energy consumption. Your shorts blocked the air entrance as if you had a very dirty filter.
I don't get it.
It's like our power generator in our plants. The more the filters are clogged, the more fuel gas we need to generate the same power.
And so more GHG emissions.
You're right. High-performance filters allow to improve efficiency of rotating machines and reduce maintenance frequency.
I see. So I need to upgrade my vacuum cleaner.
Even though it's a new machine, after a while, you might need to clean the internals and replace some parts to keep the high energy performance. Preventive maintenance is key. Don't wait for your equipment to fail to replace it.
Understood.
Stop, Charlie. What are you doing?
I was going to wash my shorts.
You will not launch a full cycle for only one pair of shorts. It's a waste of energy. To reduce your energy consumption, you should use your machine at its optimum capacity. Take, for example, our gas compressors. They are supposed to work on an operating window. And below this window, your compressor wouldn't be able to operate. So you need to recycle the gas already compressed, and that will involve a higher energy consumption.
You mean that we're generating additional GHG emissions to compress some gas that was previously compressed? So what do?
We do what we call a rebundling. We change the internal parts of the gas compressors to match the new operating window. And now, no more wasted energy. In your case, you have two options. Either you change your machine for a smaller one, or you wait to gather enough laundry to launch your washing cycle.
You're right. I think I can wait. Thank you. Weird things are happening around here. Hot chocolate?
Of course.
So what happened to you? You're fired. Charlie seems to learn how to avoid wasting energy. I need to use a different approach.